wandering along through pine trees beside a stream. Where is the stream going? Where are the clouds going? Where are the birds going? We don't know, really. They are wandering on, where we do not know, as it were, what will come of it. And so you get the quality which the Japanese call Yugen. Yugen is made of two characters, which mean mysterious and deep. Yugen is to wander on and on in a great forest without thought of return. But the Japanese dramatist, Soami, said, now Yugen is when you are watching wild geese and they are suddenly hidden by a cloud. When you are looking at ships far out to sea and they are hidden by a far-off island. When a certain kind of music hints at something, but never spoils its subtlety by explaining it. It's when space is used to let your imagination flow into it without being specific. This is Yugen.